Another thing that we need to do in order to identify and discover ourselves is quietness, silence. There's so much noise around us, so much of noise, so many people around us, TV running sometimes, people coming in, coming out, different things happening, right? We have no time to give to ourselves. We don't have time to sit alone. That's why we don't identify who we are. We need to spend some time with ourselves, at least half an hour to 1 hour. Give it to your own self where no human being is around you, no animal is around you, nobody is around you, only you and your silence and your loneliness. I want you to spend some time alone where nobody can bother you for at least 1 hour and just think, sit quiet, and think on paper. So silence is the key. Very few people are able to find time for themselves. Now think about it. When was the last time you spent time with yourself when nobody was around and you were just sitting alone and you were enjoying the silence and the peace of quietness and you went deeper into your thoughts? When was the last time you did that? The only time people find time when nobody is watching them, nobody is around them, is when they are in the bathroom. No, I'm not talking about that. You need deliberate effort to spend time with yourself. You need deliberate time to spend with your own self. Otherwise, you will not be able to identify yourself. So that's another important aspect of self-discovery, that we need silence, we need quietness, we need time alone. Even we need a time where we don't even have the cell phone with us. We don't communicate with anyone except ourselves, and the best way to communicate ourselves is on paper. The next topic, or I would say the next question that you should ask yourself is, what am I passionate about? What are you passionate about? It will help you discover who you are. Now think about everything and write it down. Are you passionate about movies? Are you passionate about novels? Are you passionate about drawing, painting? Do you want to make some sculptures? Do you want to engage yourself in software or computers? What do you like the most? What do you love the most? Do you love cooking? Do you love making pizzas or baking pizza? What do you like the most? You need to find that one thing that you're passionate about. Now, the question is, can a person have multiple passions? Absolutely, a person can have multiple passions. I had multiple passions. I had a passion for teaching, and I also have passion for counseling. I also have passion for public speaking. And technically, they all come in one umbrella of teaching or speaking. You cannot put them separate. But I'm just giving an example. What else? Maybe neurology. Yeah, I am into psychology. I like psychology. Love psychiatry. But I'm also into neurology. I love everything related to brain. So there are subcategories of human brain, right? Psychology, psychiatry, and neurology. So I love all of them. So I have found a niche that there are some sub niches, and they are related to one particular broad niche. Have you found that? If you like painting, possibly you will like the sculpture. If you are into painting, it's possible that you will like to make sketches of faces. If you are into painting, it is possible that you just like faces, you don't like the scenery, or maybe you like scenery. If you like scenery, then maybe you also like photography. So you will see that they are related with each other. Some passions are related to each other. The one who likes to draw faces may like to build sculptures, statues. A person who draws paintings of scenery, who draws sceneries, may like photography. A person who likes sceneries and photographies may like traveling. Maybe you can be a traveler or a vlogger who travels. So you need to identify, think about it. There will be some subcategories and they will help you identify what you exactly love the most. Do you like teaching? If you like teaching, you possibly like public speaking. If you like public speaking and teaching, then possibly you also like counseling and therapy like I do. So identify who you are. If you like cooking, then possibly you also like to make tea and coffee. So you need to identify what you're passionate about. This is going to be one of the most important aspects of your identity. How you want to be remembered, how you want people to know you, how do you want people to identify you, how do you want yourself to identify you, how do you think about yourself when you think, who am I, who I am? When you think of this question, what picture comes to your mind? Think about it. Imagine what is your self-image in your own mind. Think about it. This will help you.